everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a set of Easter bunnies. They're in the primitive style, super fun and easy to make. So let's get started. My first step is making my pattern. Once I have my pattern traced out, I like to outline it with a Sharpie and then cut, and then I'm going to transfer it onto a cereal box to make a template. And also, if you would like a free template, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to set up a link in the description box. And when cutting paper or cardboard, I suggest to use paper scissors. Now it's time to trace our design onto our fabric. Make sure your fabric is with wrong sides together. And the pen that I'm using is also water soluble. And then pen. And now we're going to add a couple of lines, and in between those two lines we're not going to sew. That's where we're going to be adding the polyfill. Now we're going to begin stitching on the line, and I do decrease my stitch length to a 1.5 and also back stitch at the beginning and end of your stitching. And a great tip is when you're sewing curves like that, just do about 2 to 3 stitches and then raise up your presser foot, pivot, and start stitching once again. And now with using pinking shears, trim. And now we're going to add a little bit of polyfill into the ears, draw the sewing line, and sew. And after the ears have been sewn, continue to add polyfill, pin at the bottom, and sew. now we're going to sew on our trace line to close the seam. And now this next step is just optional, but I like adding a bow around the rabbit's neck. I use jute, or you can even use satin ribbon or fabric. In my next video, I'm going to be sewing fabric carrots, so be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when that video comes out. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.